Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add Amazon affiliate link on your website. So as you can see right here, I have this Amazon site Stripe and I have here my Wix website as well. So for you to have an Amazon site Stripe where you can get the link of a specific product using your affiliate account. So for example, this one, let me click on this product and then I clicked on the get linked option right here at the top. I'd be able to get the full link or the short link of this product, and when someone buy this product using my link, so of course I can get my commission. So it is because of the influencers and associates site Stripe. So for you to have this kind of features here on Amazon, so you just have to open a new tab, and what you're going to do here is just have to type out Amazon Associate. Okay, or you can also type out Amazon site Stripe. Then after that, you'd be able to see this website. Okay, so just have to click on this one, or you can also type out this at the search bar, and then after that you just have to follow the step-by-step process in order for you to have this account. Okay, so since I already created my account, you can only see this now. Okay, so just follow this step and you'll be able to get your Amazon Associate account. Then after that, after signing up for an Amazon Associate account, you just have to go back here on your Amazon. You just have to use the same Google account or the same account, and you'd be able to see here now at the top right the Amazon site Stripe. Okay, and then after that, you can now use this one to get the link for a specific product that you want to sell on your website. So for example, we are going to search for table. Okay, so I think this item is good, so you just have to click on that specific product. Then after that, you just have to download one of the images of this product, so you just have to click on it and then save the image on your folder. And then after that, you have to copy or get the short or full link of this product since you already have your Amazon site Stripe. But before that, let's go back to our Wix website. And what I'm going to do here is to upload here the image of the product. So I'm just going to upload from my computer, select the image, and then click on open after that. So just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then after that, you just have to simply click on the add to page option. Okay, that's right. And then after that, let us add here now the button where we can put the link of the product. So just simply click on the add elements option at the top left, and then go to the buttons, and then you can use any kinds of buttons right here. So you just have to drag and drop it on the image. So after that, you just have to simply click on it and click on change text. Here you just have to type out buy now, and then we have to link here now the link of the product. So just simply click on this one, and then what do you want to link to, so select web address. Then after that, you just have to paste here the URL. So now let's go back to Amazon, and since we already have the link of this product, okay, so click on the get link once again, and then just copy the short link for this product. So you just have to copy and then go back to your Wix website and then paste it right here. Then after that, just click on done. Okay, so now that we already have here the image of the product as well as the link of the product, we can now preview this setting. Now just click on the buy now. So when someone visits your website and clicked on the buy now option and they purchase this product, of course, we can get our commission. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.